Let's begin this video by understanding what a resume is and what it isn't. Resume is basically a marketing document which is designed to showcase your skills, your experience, your qualification in the way which is aligned with the specific job. It should not be aligned with what you know, it should be aligned with the job you are applying for. That is resume, and it is designed to impress the potential employer by showcasing your qualification, your skills and experience in compelling way. This is resume. Resume is not the summary of your life. That is why we are not calling it as a biodata. We no need to include the information, personal information like personal detail, marital information, visa, passport, or hobbies. We don't need to include these information in your resume, and it is not the detailed history of your job. That is the basic difference between CV and resume. In CV, we include everything, all the history, whether it is relevant for your job or not. But in resume, we include only the required information, which is not redundant, which is not unnecessary. A resume is basically a one-page document, and CV can go beyond 2-page, 3-page, even a 7-page document. Here are some essential elements and section for any good resume. Starting with your name, title and contact information. In this section, you include your title, your name, your email ID, your mobile number, and your link to your LinkedIn profile, your portfolio website. All these you can include in this section. After that, we have educational section. In that, you will mention your highest degree, year of passing. After that, we have skills. The skills, whatever skills required for the job you are applying for, what are your expertise in this skill, you can mention in this section. Then comes the work experience, where you have to mention your work experience in reverse chronological order. Then you have to mention the project section. In that, you will mention all the relevant project you did, which is relevant for the job you are applying for. Then we have certification, then we have summary and accomplishment and awards. So these are the essential elements and section for any good resume. Keep in mind, this particular example is for a fresher. As you can see, the educational section is mentioned right at the top, which is not the case for experienced candidate. No worries, in our coming videos, we are going to discuss each of this section in more detail along with the order of this section, where these sections should be placed for different categories of candidates, like for fresher, for career changes, and for the experienced candidates. Here is my take on all the sections of the resume which should be or you should not be part of your resume. First of all, photo. Including photo in your resume, it seems like a good idea for your look and feel of your resume, but I see very few advantages and a lot of drawbacks of adding your photo on your resume. So it's no for me. Then the objective, in the sense like I would like to work for a STEAM organization where I can showcase my skills for its betterment. So this kind of statement has no impact, or I would rather use this space for more important information. For me, objective is no. Then we have the personal details. Personal details like your passport information, your date of birth, your marital information, all these things should not be part of your resume. I can understand some of the employers specifically ask for this information. If they ask, you can provide them separately over the email, but do not include this in your resume. Then we have self-declaration. I hereby declare all the information provided above are true to best of my knowledge. No, this has no legal weightage, and it is really outdated. You should not include this part in your resume. Then comes the hobbies and interests. Come on, this is not the dating profile or matrimonial profile. I see some people encouraged to include the information. I like to read, I like to do adventure sports. I would rather use this space for more relevant information like project detail or certification or achievement, rather than mentioning my hobbies and interests. So it's a big no for me. The other informations like contact information, skills, educational detail, project or work experience or certifications, summary, all these information which is essential for any good resume, we are going to discuss this in the coming videos. For that, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.